3 worst and 4 best BMW X Series models to own in 2026. One costs $161,000 and will drain your bank account the moment the warranty expires. Another costs $67,000 and owners are driving them past 200,000 miles with minimal issues. 3 absolute disasters, 4 proven winners. Real owner data, actual repair bills, Consumer Reports findings. This is your complete survival guide to buying a BMW X Series without getting financially destroyed. Let's start with the nightmares you need to avoid. The 3 worst. Worst number 3. X5 years 2011, 2013, and 2015. All engines. These are the money pits. Doesn't matter which engine, avoid these years completely. 2011 and 2013 are late E70 generation. The N63 V8 is a nightmare, but even diesels had emissions problems. Every trim suffered from air suspension failures, electrical gremlins, and transfer case issues. 2015 is early F15 generation. Elevated engine problems, electronics failures, drivetrain issues, and suspension collapses across the board. Here's what happens. You find a 2013 X5 for $18,000. Looks clean, drives smooth, you think you're safe. Wrong. Transfer case fails, $3,500. Air suspension bags blow, $2,500. If it's a V8, the timing chain starts rattling, $5,000. You're now $11,000 into a car you paid $18,000 for. Safer years, 2016 through 2018 late F15 and 2021 plus G05 mid-build or later. Early 2019 G05 models had transfer case failures. Target mid to late 2020 builds. Used prices for problem years, $12,000 to $25,000. These are cheap for a reason. You're buying someone else's repair nightmare. Worst number 2, BMW XM. Every year, every trim. 738 horsepower plug-in hybrid V8. Sounds incredible, right? It's a disaster. Stiff ride, polarizing design, 12 miles per gallon combined, a $161,000 price tag that makes 0 sense when the X5M does everything better for $40,000 less. Here's what you're buying. S68 twin-turbo V8 plus electric motor, 738 horsepower, 738 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds, but reviewers called it too stiff to be luxurious, not refined enough to be truly sporty. EPA rating, 12 city, 17 highway, about 31 electric miles. The real problem, the X5M and X7 M60i both outperform it, cost $40,000 to $50,000 less, and make way more sense. 2026 retail price, $161,150 for the label trim. This is a depreciation disaster wrapped in a confused personality. Worst number 1, any X5, X6, or X7 with the N63 V8, especially older generations, E70, E71, and early F15. These haunt BMW forums. N63 twin-turbo V8, 400 to 445 horsepower. Sounds glorious, pulls like a freight train, then the bills start. Timing chain wear, engine out job, $4,000 to $6,000. Valve stem seals, oil consumption nightmares. Turbos heat-soaked in the valley, $3,000 to $5,000. Air suspension, $3,000 to $6,000 for full corners. The E70 generation also had electronics gremlins, tailgate water ingress, brittle coolant hoses, and fuel module loaders. Used prices, $15,000 to $40,000 depending on year and miles. Rule: if you want V8 drama, lease an M60i or X5M and return it before the expensive repairs start at 60,000 miles. It looks safe for the first 40,000 miles until repair bills start stacking. The 4 best. Best number 4, BMW X3 M40i 2018 through 2024 and X3 M50 xDrive 2025 through 2026. This is the sweet spot. Near M performance, half the running cost. B58 turbocharged inline-6, 382 horsepower in the M40i, 393 in the M50, 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. Why it works: B58 reliability, legendary engine shared with the Toyota Supra. Real-world owners report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with maintenance. ZF 8-speed automatic, bulletproof. Sharp handling, lower complexity than the full X3. What to watch: water pump and thermostat around 100,000 miles, $800 to $1,500. Valve cover gasket seepage, common B58 quirk. ZF 8 transmission fluid service at 60 to 80,000 miles despite lifetime claims. claims. 2026 new price, $50,900 to $65,900. Used G01 M40i 2019 through 2023, $38,000 to $52,000. If you want compact, quick, and reliable, this is it. The thinking person's M car. Best number 3, BMW X1, late F48 and current U11. If you want BMW feel without X5 bills, this is your answer. B48 turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder, 241 horsepower, 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds. Why it works? Simpler, fewer expensive systems, lighter, easier on brakes, tires, and suspension. B48 engine, proven, robust, shared with 3 Series and 5 Series. Lower running costs, no air suspension complexity, no V8 drama. What to watch? Software gremlins possible, keep service history tight, water pump and thermostat around 100,000 miles, $800 to $1,500, valve cover gasket seepage, common, not catastrophic. 2026 new price, $42,800 to $51,900. Used late F48 2020 through 2022, $28,000 to $38,000. This is the X Series for people who want the badge and practicality without the X5's repair anxiety. Best number 2, BMW X5 xDrive 50e, the plug-in hybrid. Same X5 comfort and space, but with 39 miles of electric range and lower fuel bills if you can charge at home. Turbocharged inline-6 plus electric motor, 483 horsepower in the 50e, 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds. EPA electric range, 39 miles. Why it works? Real EV range, 39 miles, covers most daily commutes. Same X5 excellence, whisper quiet cabin, comfortable seats. Top-tier ADAS with adaptive cruise control and lane centering. Lower total cost if you charge at home. What to watch? Added complexity, battery, charging system, high voltage components, heavier than the 40i. Verify HV battery health and charging system function as it ages. 2026 new price, $73,800 base. Used 2021 through 2023, $55,000 to $70,000. Key takeaway, if you charge at home and drive mostly local, the 50e is brilliant. If you can't charge regularly, buy the 40i instead. Best number 1, BMW X5 xDrive 40i G05 2019 through 2026. After $161,000 mistakes, timing chain nightmares, and air suspension bills, this is the BMW that gets it right. The benchmark blend of reliability, comfort, and performance. B58 turbocharged inline-6, 335 to 375 horsepower depending on year, 0 to 60 in about 5.3 seconds. Why it works? B58 plus ZF8, the most reliable powertrain BMW makes. Real-world owners report 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance. Outstanding ride quality. Consumer Reports called it comfortable and impressively steady with a whisper-quiet cabin. Top-tier ADAS with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, auto lane change 2025 plus. Strong resale versus rivals. Better depreciation curve than most luxury SUVs. Tech, iDrive 8 or 8.5 with curved display. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. What to watch? Water pump and thermostat around 100,000 miles, $800 to $1,500. Valve cover gasket seepage, common, not catastrophic. ZF8 transmission fluid service at 60 to 80,000 miles. Early 2019 G05 models had transfer case failures. Target mid to late 2020 builds. Skip the V8s. The N63 V8s are faster, but their complexity and cost are nightmares post-warranty. The 40i is the sweet spot. 2026 new price, $66,600 for the 40i. Used 2020 through 2023 40i, $48,000 to $65,000. Bottom line, if you want one X Series to own past warranty, this is it. The 40i is the smartest buy in the entire lineup. Your cheat sheet. If you're actually shopping for a BMW X Series, this next part will save you thousands. Here's everything you need to know. Air suspension. If the X5 or X7 you're looking at has air suspension, budget $3,000 to $6,000 for eventual replacement. Inspect carefully for leaks, sagging corners, and compressor noise during the test drive. If you're buying long-term and plan to keep the vehicle past 100,000 miles, avoid air suspension unless you absolutely need it for towing or load leveling. Safer engines you can trust: B58 inline-6, X5 40i, X3 M40i or M50, X5 50e, legendary reliability, shared with Toyota Supra, proven to 200,000 plus miles. B48 2-liter Turbo 4, X1, proven, robust, simple, shared across BMW lineup. Engines to avoid at all costs: N63 V8, older X5, X6, X7, timing chain failures, valve stem seal issues, turbo heat-soaked in the valley, oil consumption nightmares. N20 4-cylinder, early X25, catastrophic timing chain issues that can destroy the engine. Specific years to avoid: X5 2011, 2013, and 2015, money pits regardless of engine. Early 2019 G05 X5, transfer case failures common. Years to buy with confidence: X5 2016 through 2018, late F15, 2020 and later G05 mid-build or later, X3 2019 and later G01 M40i, 2025 and later G45, X1 2020 and later late F48, and 2023 and later U11. Paperwork and pre-purchase inspection essentials. Always verify complete service history. Oil changes every 7,500 to 10,000 miles with BMW spec oil. ZF8 transmission fluid should be changed at 60 to 80